If you take horrible website photos, this is the video for you. Stay tuned.
Okay, y'all, let's jump right on into this. So I have never taken any product photos that I can say I truly like. So since I found out about Nano Banana, when I tell you it was and is a game changer for me. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing, and I hope this helps somebody with a small business save some money. So let's take a look. So these are the photos that I actually have that I took a while ago, and I just posted them on my page. You know, I feel like the lighting is off. It's not that great. These ones I tried again after. Lighting's a little better because I did, I edited a little bit, but I am not a photo editor. I'm not a photo taker, professional, regular, none of that. My kids do it. I don't. So yeah, I added these, and this one here I did in another program a while ago, but I'm still not satisfied with it. So here I am going to show you how we could take these and make these better. So you can either take the photos that you already have from your website and just save them. So I'm just going to do that right now just for this video purpose. And I'm going to save it. As y'all know, I'm always on my iPad. I don't have my keyboard today because it's dead. So I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. And I do have some other photos. So I'm going to take this one as well, because it's my main one to kind of show everything. So I'm just going to show you how I'm taking my boring, blah, horrible lighting photos. And I have a whole lot more. And I'll show some of them actually in this video. I just do an overlay so you can see what I'm talking about. It might not be bad to other people, but it's me. I'm a low-key, not a perfectionist, but I just like the aesthetics to look good. So that is why I made this video. So I'm going to show you using ChatGPT and Nano Banana how to make good lifestyle mock-up photos for your website. Just really step up your website game. Because if we look on my website here, I've been slowly but surely making it better. I still got a lot of work to do. I'm taking my time with it. My website's been live, and it's fine because people like to see real products, right? So I don't have a problem with that. But what I like about Nano Banana is that it takes your products and it shows in a real setting. So it doesn't alter your product at all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to ChatGPT, and we're going to actually tell it to create your lifestyle mock-up prompt. So you don't have to do it. So this is very easy. Only thing you're providing in this instance is your whack photos. I'm just saying, if they look like mine is whack. I'm just saying. But hey, so what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do is, because the website I use, I can only use 5 photos unless I upgrade. And I feel like my website income is not where it needs to be for me to be spending more just to post more photos. So I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I'm really cheap. I'm frugal. I'm spending my money on what it needs to be spent on, and that ain't it. So don't judge me. Y'all could do something else. But I'm just saying. So I'm going to just show ChatGPT what to do, and y'all could just follow along. And I want to tell it to create 5 lifestyle mock-ups. If I can type. Without, let's go back, altering the original image, because that's the only thing. Sometimes that does happen, not too much. One thing I will say about Nano Banana, I always say banana, I don't know, don't judge me, but that's something I do. So one thing I say about Nano Banana versus ChatGPT, I tried with ChatGPT, but it always messes up the text. Nano Banana hasn't done it that much. Maybe out of all the times I've been doing it, maybe I can say maybe 5 times, if that. I don't even think it was that much, especially when you're specific in your prompt. It definitely does not do that. So I like it a lot. They have their little watermark, but it's in the corner and nobody really see it. If you really don't like that, you can go into Canva. Canva, and you can remove the watermark. So here it created 5 different mock-ups, just what I asked for. And at the bottom, it always asks you, do you want to do something else, or do you want to add something else? So in this case, I'm not. I'm just doing this really quick tutorial to help my fellow business owners, because when I tell you, I've been selling my products for 5 years. I done had other businesses, but I've also used to do this and just give it away to family. So I just started to sell my products, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I bet it on myself. And my husband kind of challenged me to do it because I was doing something else for another big brand. He was like, you could be selling for yourself. It is not like you don't know how to do something. So that was one of the things. So here, all you do is put your photo. I make sure it's Nano Banana. And this is free, y'all. This is free. You can download this app. Like I said, I'm working on an iPad. You could download the app Gemini, and I think it's just Gemini. You can find it. Make sure it's the 2.5 version, and you can see that right up here. So I'm just gonna click the little thing. But 2.5. You could do pro or whatever if you want to upgrade, but this is free. I've been using a free version. It does have a limit, but it took a long time for me to get to the limit of creating photos. Because again, if you go back and look at my other video, I showed y'all how I create mock-ups for my website before with my body butters, but I also use this for my Etsy page because I really want to show people the products. So here my prompt says, create a lifestyle mock-up of the uploaded body oils displayed neatly on a vanity or dresser. Add a soft pastel color, gold tray, perfume bottles, flowers, and mirrors in the background. Keep lighting bright, airy, and do not alter the image. So I want to change this a little bit because I'm trying to be consistent with my main photo. So I want to put on this create a lifestyle mock-up using mock-up of the images. And I want to put mock-up images. Where is that at? Do not alter the original product image. If I can type product image, and there we go. So, and what I want to do on this one, change the background to pink. And that's just because that's my website color. So that's all I'm doing for this one. I'm just keeping this one plain, okay? And there we go. We want that. And I just want to, because I already used that. Although I probably could leave it to make sure. But this one's just going to be simple because this is the first photo that I want people to see. I want it kind of consistent across the board. So now you just click the little arrow and you wait seconds. It depends. I think the longest it probably took is maybe 15 seconds, but really not that much. As you can see, it's already done. So here, now I'm consistent with my other photos. So now what I'm going to do is just copy and paste. Now we're going to go to the lifestyle mock-up images. So now I'm going to use the one I did not use before. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And I'm going to take the other image with the single product image. And I'm going to use this and I'm going to see what it creates. So it's just literally taking what ChatGPT, the prompts it created for you, and using your real images. And it's going to take that image without altering any of the label or anything like that. So this one, it's all right. It depends on if you wanted to use more than one image. I'll probably use this for like social media or something like that, but I don't want it for my website, so I'm still going to save it. So if you get something like this and it happens and it just changes and it won't use a single image, what I do is I go to a new chat. So open up a new chat. I'm going to select create images. You don't really have to do that once you do it because it automatically knows to do it. And I'm going to, what I'm going to do instead of taking that one, because that was already an altered image and that might be why it did it. So I'm going to go to my folder where I have my website images, which I have a whole lot more photos of my body oil. So I'm just doing this a little at a time. Y'all could take y'all time. And which one is, I want to do my royalty. This is one of my top sellers. People really love this. So I'm going to use the same mock-up prompt. I'm in a new chat. So then hopefully it'll be all right. and I'm not using an already altered image. That might have had something to do with the last time it didn't do what it needed to do. But let's go ahead and test this out and let's see what happens. Because I don't want it to alter anything. I just want the people to see what this can do and how it can make it easier, because I thought about having professional photos taken of my product, and yeah, it's doing it again, and I don't like that. It might be because I was using it all day, so it's not perfect. And that's one thing I'll say about this. It does say it at the bottom. It tells you Gemini can make mistakes, so double check. It tells you that. So this will be another one I probably would just use for a social media post or something if I just, needed to post something real quick. It's all right. You can put it on your website if you want to, but me, I don't know, I prefer something else. So I'm going to try a different prompt, and I'm going to see with a different image. I'm going to see if it'll give me a single, and I'm going to tell it that actually. So you got to be specific in what you want. So I'm going to go back to my gallery. Going to go back to my website photos because evidently it does not want to play right today since I'm trying to show you guys. But when I tell you it's amazing, if you see all these ones I'm scrolling through now, these are some ones I use with a different Mockup editor, but I didn't like them. And these are my photos I took. I done bought so many lights, backdrops, everything, y'all wouldn't believe it, trying to get a great photo, and yeah, it didn't always work out that way. At least I didn't like them. So, that's just me. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this one, I feel like, and try it again. And this time I'm going to look at the prompt because I didn't read it. I ain't going to lie. It probably says something different. So create a flat lay scene featuring the uploaded body oil bottle on a white marble surface. So I'm going just going to get rid of that flat lay. I don't like that. Create a scene featuring the uploaded body oil bottles on a white marble surface with spot elements that like rolling tiles. I cannot say that for some reason. Eucalyptus leaves, candles. I'm going to get rid of eucalyptus leaves because I don't want them to think that's what the fragrance entails. White towels, candles, and body brushes next to the bottle. And I'm just going to be clear, next to the bottle. I do alter these sometimes, the prompts, when I want to add a little tweak here and there. And maintain a natural window light, release realistic shadows, do not change the original product. Produce a single image product. Let me see if this helps. Produce a single product image. Do not add multiple bottles. Only, one. And most time you don't have to go through this, but for some reason, I don't know, it could be because I've been already using this today and it might be just tired of me, but yeah, usually it works all right. It's not too bad, but again, you see how fast it produces it, and this time it did what I wanted to do. So this is amazing. So what you can do if you want, and what I might do, you can really zoom in, like crop it before you put it on your website so they can really see. And what this does too, it gives the people an actual visual effect of how tall the product is, like the size versus the brushes and towels in the image. I cannot say that word, y'all, at all. So don't judge me. But yeah, so this is all you need to do. And then you just go and upload them on your website. When I tell you this is amazing, so I will do this with a couple more images. I will take the prompts, maybe tweak it a little bit if you need to, add some different styles in there. And because I have the one with multiple, you can do the same thing and maybe put like take a couple images, take your photos and take multiple images with different products in the same photo and do the same thing. So you can have, in my case, because I can only use so many photos within there on my website, I can put a lot of products in one photo. In this Nano Banana will take those images and put them in a lifestyle mock-up. So I hope this helps somebody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And please follow me for more mock-up ideas, more AI tools that you can use for your small business. Because when I tell you this is just a money saver, take that money that you were going to spend for some professional photos or on a whole bunch of backdrops and lightings like I did and put it towards something else. Maybe marketing, social media marketing, influence. You can even do influencers with AI now, truthfully. So take that money and do something else with it. Buy some products to, buy some ingredients to make some more products, or, spend it on something that's going to regenerate you some more cash. I'm just saying. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I already said it, but I'm saying it again. I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers. I'm starting out small, trying to grow my channel. But thanks for watching. Bye.